Hey darlings, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Okay, I believe you all are doing well by the grace of God. I'm also fine by the same grace. So guys, in my previous video I talked about how to wear a diaper for our babies and then how to put on a traditional napkin on our babies too. So we'll leave all the links down below at the description box so you can go check it out. And if today is the first time seeing me, I'm Janeospace, your community heaveness papa, and this channel is about health education for kids and adults. Kindly do subscribe and be part of this beautiful and amazing family. Also like, share, comment down below at the comment section. So let's go straight into today's video. So in today's video, I'm coming to dress up a newborn baby. Okay, how to go about it. You see, the babies are so soft that you have to hold them with care. Okay, so this is my baby Arella is here. So baby Arella has finished bathing. Okay, so baby Arella is in her court sheet. Okay, after you are done bathing the baby, you don't have to expose the baby before you dress the baby up. I hope I'm clear. Okay, so in my previous video I've already showed how to put on a diaper for the baby, so I'm not going to wear the diaper again. But once you are done like this, you can put the baby on your lap like what I have done, or if you are not so comfortable with this, you can lay a working area. You can put maybe a cut sheet down, then you put the baby on, so you dress up the baby. So this is my baby who has finished bathing. So you see how I've done my legs. This one is up and the other one is down. Okay, so this one will help the baby's head up, and whilst this one will make the bottles go down. Okay, so I want to expose all my baby, so I'll just expose this side and then I'll put my baby's diaper on for my baby like this. I have a full video on how to put on a diaper, so you can check it out and then watch that video. Okay, all right, so my baby's diaper is on now, and our babies are just like us and adults, or we the human beings. Most of the time we think that they are babies, so we always wrap them so tight that even if it is hot, if the weather is hot or cold, like, but no, babies are also human beings just like me and you. So know what to wear your baby during the weather condition. So if the weather is cold, you can put on um pajamas another. So you can put something like this on for the baby if the weather is cold, so every place of the baby will be covered. And if it is hot, baby can wear something short like this short hand type. Okay, so I'm coming to wear my baby this because my baby is coming to sleep. Okay, so I'll remove this side and then I'll put my baby here with this hand supporting my baby, and I'll use this hand to put the dress on my lap like this. Okay, so the dress is open for my baby to lie in. So this is it. So you put the baby here like this. So this one, you put the leg first and then this arm too, like this, and same here. Put your baby's arm here. So you see, so my baby Arella in her sleeping suit. Then I'll close it up. So you see, I didn't struggle. So if you go like this, you won't struggle. You wear your baby's dress very smooth. Baby will never fall because of how you have positioned your legs, and you are good to go. And since my baby is having no hair on, I have to put on a cap for my baby. Hey, maybe I ran out of tissue. Okay, so my baby is wearing a cap. Okay, so my baby is all dressed up like this. You see that? So this is it. So when the weather is cold, know what to put on for your baby, and when the weather is hot too, you know what to put on for your baby. Okay, so now I'm coming to remove my baby's dress. So the baby is lying on me like this, and I'll open up the my batimane. So remove here, same thing here, and then like this. So I have removed my baby's dress. Okay, so if you are putting on a top and a down too, it's also the same procedure. So that's why my baby is wearing top and down. Yes, so like this. So my baby has worn okay knicker. This one is knicker. So this is the dress too. So I can do it like this, put it here for my baby, and then I'll extend to the other side like this. And I'll do the same thing. My hand here, I'll grab my baby's hand, and then it'll be inside the dress. Okay, so you button up. Put on cap for my baby Ariella. So we are done for this too. So this is my baby all dressed for this evening because the weather is cold. Okay, so this is it. All right guys, so this is all for today. So if the weather is cold or the weather is not favorable, you know how to dress your baby. So with this, you can even put the baby in a blanket like this. So this is our baby's blanket to keep the baby warm. Okay, so this is it. Like this. But if the weather is hot, don't put baby in a blanket like this and then a long and like overall type dress like this. Let the baby feel free. The baby can wear this short hand dress and then use the cushion to wrap. But what I've realized is that since we've bought the things, whether it's hot or cold, then we'll be just putting the things on the babies. Please, they are human beings like us, so we should know how to dress them up. If the weather is hot, know what to put it on. If the weather is cold, know what to put on. Okay, so guys, this is all for today. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and see you in my next video. In my next video, we'll talk about breastfeeding. Okay, what you want to know about breastfeeding, and then exclusive breastfeeding as well. Everything that you can think of. So thanks so much for watching till this time, and see you again in my next video. Bye y'all. Bye 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 bye. Mwah.